unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Airlines determine baggage fees based on a variety of factors, including travel destination, class of service, bag size and weight, and frequent flyer status. Airlines aim to manage cargo space effectively while also incentivizing lighter travel. Fees are structured to encourage passengers to pack efficiently, thus maximizing plane fuel efficiency and reducing costs. The intricate pricing structure also aligns with an airline's revenue management strategy, aimed at enhancing the overall profitability by accommodating different passenger needs and preferences within the constraints of flight capacity.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.